Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the arrowhead stitch. This stitch is used on the snowflake ornaments that are part of our free downloads for 2023. But you could use this stitch for any of the ornaments or any other embroidery projects that you need. It's very similar to a straight stitch or a back stitch. It makes a small arrowhead. So coming from the back, we're going to go up at point A, down at point B, up at point C, which is parallel to point A, and then down again at point B. So one more time, up at point A, down at point B, up at point C, and down at point B. You can stitch these separately like I've done here, or you can cluster them. You could stitch them very tightly together and use them almost as a way to fill spaces. I do recommend marking out so that your points are even. And that's it.